A colony, once vibrant with life, now struggles under the weight of pollution and waste. Once a beautiful place, now facing challenges. But hope is not lost. Heroes are rising. Children's laughter fills the air, a stark contrast to the grim reality of their surroundings. A muddy puddle reflects the distant smoke, a constant reminder of the colony's plight. Why is our colony becoming dirty and hot? Sunlight floods the classroom, illuminating the air with dancing dust motes. The teacher smiles warmly, presenting images of lush forests and clean energy. You can make a difference. Even small steps matter. In a room filled with papers and colorful drawings, a group of kids gathers, determination shining in their eyes. Let's become eco-warriors and fix this together. Kids roam the colony streets, notebooks in hand, their eyes searching for problems. Overflowing garbage bins and water waste from broken pipes fill their view. The distant sight of deforestation scars the horizon. They found out where the problems really were. In the neighborhood, children walk from house to house, sharing a vital message. Please help us keep the environment clean and green. Their voices echo with youthful enthusiasm as they spread awareness about the environment. The community comes alive as children teach adults the importance of waste separation. Kids color bins, designating them for recycling, compost, and garbage. Under the open sky, families gather in the park, planting trees together. Each tree bears a small, handwritten sign, a promise of growth and legacy. A unified voice echoes. A tree for every child, a future for everyone. Children move quickly, their small hands working to fix leaking taps. Buckets sit beneath the taps, catching each precious drop. A colorful poster declares, "Every drop counts." Youthful energy fills the streets as children transform their community. With laughter and determination, they clear away the old and make way for new life. The streets bloom with color as flowers find their place in the heart of the neighborhood. In a barren landscape, children cultivate a small garden, bringing life to the desolate earth. Now we grow our own food, fresh and healthy. Children gather, their faces alight with excitement, showcasing how sunlight can power homes. Let's use sunlight to power our homes. The community hall bursts with youthful energy as children transform trash into treasures. A mini competition ignites their creativity, filling the air with palpable excitement. A chorus of young voices rises, chanting "Go Green." The children continue their march, their voices echoing with the cry, "Save Earth." Smiles light up the faces of onlookers as they applaud the young activists. In a brightly lit office, a group of kids stands before a local officer, sunlight illuminating their hopeful faces. They request dustbins and solar streetlights for their community. The officer listens attentively, nodding occasionally, a promise of support in his eyes. In the studio, children gather, their faces lit by the glow of computer screens. They record and edit a sustainability video, fingers dancing across keyboards, cameras whirring. Let's post it and inspire others. The school grounds transform into a vibrant hub of eco-friendly innovation, drawing parents and neighbors into a shared vision of sustainability. Stalls display composting techniques, energy-saving devices, and eco-friendly crafts, inviting exploration and participation. The town square pulses with life as colonists celebrate the young achievers. Children receive certificates and medals, symbols of their dedication. The coveted green flag is awarded, marking a triumph for the colony. Awards are presented. Certificates, medals, and the coveted green flag for the colony. The colony flourishes, its streets clean and gardens thriving under the warm sun. Solar lights gleam, and waste diminishes as the colony embraces a brighter future. Because of the children, the colony transformed. Beneath the shade of a green tree, children's laughter fills the air. You don't need to be big to do big things. Be the change. Like, share, join the green team.